Alright, we're going to replace the nose piece off of this gun with one of ours. What we're going to need is a 4mm, a 3mm, and a 2.5mm. The first step is going to be the 3mm. We're going to release the spring for the screw retainers. Now, when taking this off, the thing we're going to have to worry about is this spring. We don't want this spring to go jetting back inside itself. We want that sticking out just a little bit like that. Then you can move that out of the way, take your screw, don't lose it. There's another little screw on the bottom of this gun. It's a 2.5mm. Then it's the 4mm. We're going to take these two out, this one and this one. And I give it a little push down just to hold all the springs in place. We're going to back these screws out just until the screw itself is out of the way for clearance for the nose piece to come out. Like that. Then when we pick up the nose piece, this spring and this spring are going to fall out. That one, that one. The nose piece just slides out. You can see that they're grooved for it. And we'll put this one, but this new one in. This is going to slide in like that. The spring goes back in on top. May have to slide the nose piece out to get it to see, slide it all back together. Then we put the little spring back in. There's a nub on the top and the bottom that it sits in. Push the whole thing down to retain the springs. Then we just reverse the process. Tighten these back up. These two screws go back in. If you wanted to, you could put some Loctite on there. This screw we're going to neglect because we don't really need it. The little screw, this is the part that is probably the most difficult. Slide this all the way up. Pull out enough so that we can get the screw in there. Oh. And then I use the end of the Allen wrench for leverage. To get it up and started. And that ends the field installation of the new tip.